Create a business email account for free. Set up with Neo 2025. So, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're looking to create a professional business email address like your name at yourcompany.com without paying a cent, then you are in the right place. In today's tutorial, I will walk you through how to set up a free business email using Neo in 2025. So it's perfect for startups, solopreneurs, or anyone who wants to look professional without needing to buy hosting or domain tools separately. So let's get started. So first of all, let me tell you what is Neo. So Neo is an all-in-one email platform designed for small businesses. What makes it amazing? So you can get a business email for free up to one user. It comes with email marketing tools, a basic website builder, and even read receipts. You can either connect your own domain or create one with Neo for free. In short, it's Google Workspace for small businesses, but more beginner friendly and budget friendly. So let's right jump onto the video. So first of all, you need to open a web browser and a new tab, and after that you have to search for Neo dot space space here, and after clicking on enter, it will take you to the official website of Neo, and we'll just have to click on get started to sign up for Neo. So it's asking you, do your business already have a domain? So let's go with no. I need a new domain. Get a new domain and type domain you want to like. Let's find a domain and like joesbusiness.com. You'll need a domain in order to set up your email. So let's click on let's say read.com and let's search for it. And first year free with yearly pay email plans renews at $0.6 per month. So risk.co.site, and let's click on get a domain. You just add you just have to give your full name here, and after that you have to give your email address here 075 gmail.com, and after that you have to enter your password or set a strong password. So let's click on create customer account, and after that it says let's create your mailbox. So for that you have to give a uh, email address and mailbox email address, like I've selected that's Ricky at the rix.co.site, and at least set a password in the mailbox for at least 8 characters. Let's set it like this and create a mailbox, and after that enter team members email address. It's just me, skip this. So you can see that add general mailboxes to your business like info at the rix.co.site, support at the rix.co.site, and admin contact sales at the rix.co.site. You can add any of here or enter an email address because like customer email address. So we'll just skip this part for now, and here we can see your domain comes with the AI powered site builder. Launch your brand online. So let's click on continue, and it says um, there are packages like starter, standard, max for the paid versions, and you have to select the right Neo plan for you. And after that if we click on the Neo and see what it looks like, let's just sign in. Access emails in your inbox, manage your subscriptions. and after that I'll just click on sign in. Domain I can use, continue with my domain name like example.com, rick.com, and I own rick.com domain, encrypted settings. Okay, continue in 15 days, free email box like Ricky. Let's leave again and search for this create mailbox, and it's just me. Skip this part and click on continue. We'll just have to buy a starter pack. So we'll not just buy the starter pack. I've just made a video to show you that. And after that you have to if you give your own domain or buy one, so you can just explore the new dashboard after that. And once your email is set up, you will be taken to the new dashboard. Here's what you can do. You can send and receive professional emails, set up email templates and auto replies, and you can access email tracking like knowing if your emails were read, and start email campaigns to market your customers, and use the website builder to create a one-page site if needed. It's a powerful tool and it's very beginner friendly also. And you can set up Neo on mobile. Neo also has an app for both iOS and Android. You can go to the App Store or Play Store and search for Neo Email. You can download and log in using your credentials, and you'll now be able to manage your business email from your phone just like Gmail or Outlook. You'll also get push notifications so you never miss an important email. So after that you can test your business email. So you can send a test email like after clicking on click compose. You can send an email to your personal Gmail or Yahoo. You can check how it looks. Your brand name shows up as the sender. You can reply to it and test receiving. And this is a great way to make sure everything's working, and it instantly gives you the professional edge. And let me give you some bonus features, and that is Neo gives you read receipt seen when someone opens your email, and follow-up reminders like get reminded if someone doesn't reply, and you can send a newsletter or promotions to your list. You can create free one-page website, great for creating a quick online presence. You can make your emails look cleaner and more interactive, and all of this makes Neo one of the most feature-rich free business email tools in 2025. And that's how you create a free business email account with Neo in 2025. If you want to look professional, build trust with clients, and grow your brand, and having a customer email is a must. And with Neo, it's never been easier or more affordable. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more business tools walkthroughs like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.